Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the things that schools don't teach us but are essential for the success in life. From selling to investing, thinking to communicating, and finding your passion to facing failures, we will cover it all in depth. How to sell? Selling is an important skill in both personal and professional life. To become a successful salesperson, start by understanding your product or service and the benefits it provides. Next, research your target audience and understand their needs and desires. This will help you to tailor your pitch and present your product or service in the best light possible. It's also important to be confident and assertive in your sales pitch. Believe in your product or service and be able to effectively communicate its value to the customer. Finally, focus on building relationships with your customers. Treat them with respect and build trust, and you will be able to establish a long term customer base. By following these tips, you will be able to become a successful salesperson and reach new heights of success in both personal and professional life. How to think? Thinking is a crucial part of personal growth and success. To improve your thinking skills, start by practicing mindfulness and become more present in the moment. Next, challenge your beliefs and perspectives. Seek out new information and consider different viewpoints. This will help you to broaden your understanding and become more open minded. It's also important to develop critical thinking skills. Analyze situations, ask questions, and consider different solutions. Finally, embrace creativity and innovation. Think outside of the box and find new and innovative ways to solve problems. By following these tips, you will be able to improve your thinking skills and reach new heights of success and personal growth. How to negotiate? Negotiating is an important skill in both personal and professional life. To become a successful negotiator, start by preparing for the negotiation. Research the other party, gather information, and determine your goals and priorities. During negotiations, be clear and concise and avoid using aggressive tactics. Instead, focus on finding common ground and finding a solution that benefits both parties. It is also important to be flexible and willing to compromise. Be open to different solutions and be willing to make concessions if necessary. Finally, be confident and assertive in your negotiations. Believe in yourself and your ability to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. By following these tips, you will be able to become a successful negotiator and reach agreements that benefit all parties involved. How to face failure? Failure is an inevitable part of life and can often be a valuable learning experience. To successfully face failure, start by embracing it and taking responsibility for your actions. Next, reflect on what went wrong and identify areas for improvement. This will help you to learn from your failure and grow as a person. It's also important to stay positive and maintain a growth mindset. Don't be discouraged by failure, but instead view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Finally, take action and implement the lessons you have learned. Use your failure as a stepping stone to achieve greater success in the future. By following these tips, you will be able to successfully face failure and grow as a person. How to invest money? Investing money is a smart way to grow your wealth over time and reach your financial goals. Here are some steps to get started. Define your investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve through investing, such as retirement, savings, educational expenses, or wealth building. Access your risk tolerance. Investing always involves some level of risk, so it is important to understand how much risk you are comfortable taking on. Develop an investment strategy. Consider factors such as investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon to determine the best investment strategy for you. Start small. Don't invest a large amount of money right away. Start small and gradually increase your investment over time as you become more confident. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Consider the fees. Be mindful of any fees associated with your investments, as this can eat into your returns over time. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your investments to make sure they are on track to meet your goals and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to making informed investment decisions and growing your wealth over time. How to find your passion? Finding your passion can be a journey, but it's one that is well worth taking. To discover your passion, start by exploring new interests and experiences. Try new things and step outside of your comfort zone. Next, identify your values and what is important to you. This will help you to narrow down your passions and find the ones that truly align with who you are. It's also important to seek out mentors and individuals who have achieved success in fields that interest you. They can provide guidance and insight into what it takes to succeed in your chosen passion. Finally, don't be afraid to take action and pursue your passions. Remember, success takes time, but it is achievable with hard work and determination. By following these tips, you will be able to discover your passions and achieve success and fulfillment in life. How to make an impact? Making a positive impact in world is a noble goal and one that is achievable with hard work and dedication. To make an impact, start by identifying the causes and the issues that you are passionate about. Next, get involved and take action. Volunteer, donate, or participate in advocacy efforts to help make a difference. It's also important to educate yourself and stay informed about the issues you care about. This will help you to become a more effective advocate and make a greater impact. Finally, seek out like minded individuals and form partnerships and alliances. Working together, you can make an even greater impact and create positive changes in the world. By following these tips, you will be able to make a positive impact in the world and make a difference in the lives of those around you. How to start a business? Starting a business can seem like a daunting task, but with the right preparation and approach, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Here are some steps to get you started. Conduct market research. Start by researching your target market and competitors. This will help you identify what products or services are in demand and what gaps you can fill in the market. Develop a business plan. This document should outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Raise capital. Determine how much money you will need to start your business and explore your options for financing, including loans, grants, and investment from friends and family. Register your business. Choose a business structure such as sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation and register with your state. Set up operations. Find a location for your business, hire employees, purchase equipment and supplies, and set up any necessary systems for accounting, marketing, and sales. Launch and market your business. Use a variety of marketing tactics to get the word out about your business, including advertising, public relations, and social media. Monitor your finances and make adjustments. Keep track of your expenses and income and make any necessary adjustments to your business plan to ensure continued success. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to starting and growing a successful business. How to communicate well and live confidently. Effective communication is essential to success in both personal and professional life. To communicate well, start by being a good listener. Pay attention to others and try to understand their perspective. Next, be clear and concise when speaking. Use simple, direct language and avoid using technical jargon or slang. It's also important to stay confident and positive when communicating. Project confidence through your body language and tone of voice, and maintain eye contact when speaking. Finally, seek out opportunities to improve your communication skill, such as taking classes or practicing with friends and family. By following the tips, you will be able to communicate effectively and live confidently, leading to greater success in all areas of life. By following these tips, you will be able to develop the skills and qualities that schools don't teach, leading to greater success and fulfillment in life. Conclusion. In conclusion, schools may provide a solid foundation of knowledge and skills, but there are many important life skills that are not taught in the classroom. From selling and negotiating to investing and starting a business, it's up to each individual to seek out and develop these skills. By focusing on personal growth and development, you will be able to achieve financial freedom, find your passion, make an impact, communicate effectively, and live confidently. Remember, success takes time and hard work, but by taking control of your education and developing the skills that schools don't teach, you will be well on your way to achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life.